Alright, we're recording the sewer line here at 1826, I believe, Palm Ave Southwest. Date is Friday, March 22, 2019. What you're looking at, this is a video I'm making after cabling the line. So I cabled the line, when I showed up on site the line was clogged. Cabled the line, popped it open. Now we're going to do the camera inspection after cabling. So this is 110 feet, give or take a few, from the clean out in the back of the house. So there's a clean out in the backyard, that's where I cabled from and popped it open from. 110 feet, there's some kind of an obstruction there. It's hard to tell what that thing exactly is, but I cannot get past it with my camera, so there it shall stay. So is the old concrete sewer line. I think we're in 6-inch now, I'm guessing. We're way out there though. So the clog occurred somewhere around the 45-foot mark. There's a tie-in there at about 80. And when I get to that point, I'll show you why we clogged up. It's all old concrete sewer line. It's getting a little aggregate at the bottom. So we should be getting close to this turn here that caused the clog. Somewhere right in here. Here we go. About 43 feet. So the line's taking a nasty left-hand 90-degree turn, and it's too sharp of a turn, and it's backing up the sewage because it's too sharp. It's not making that turn naturally. The turn needs to be smoothed out and maybe add a couple fittings to smooth it out a little, make it more gradual. We're back in 4-inch concrete now. But I would say lining this pipe or at least fixing that plastic turn would do you a world of good. Pulling up out of the ABS cleanout now. Boom, ABS cleanout in the rear of the house. Line open and flowing. Signing off.